Dhaka Kuala Lumpur Dhaka, starting price from 38,000 Taka. Dhaka Bangkok Dhaka, starting price from 32,500 Taka. Dhaka Kathmandu Dhaka, starting price from 32,000 Taka. So get your air ticket from Shaolin Tourism. Thank you.